Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if the Windows 11 sign-in options are not working. The first solution that you should definitely take in consideration is to change the sign-in option settings. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then on the left pane make sure to select Accounts, and then on the right side make sure to select the sign-in options. Now you have to scroll down a bit until you find the additional settings category, and in here you have to disable the toggle for the improved security, only allow Windows Hello sign-in for Microsoft accounts on this device. Now you can just restart the computer and check if you're able to sign in with your account password. Another useful solution is to update Windows 11. To do this, press the Windows button and then type Update, and then select Check for Updates from the search results. In here, you simply have to click on the Check for Updates blue button and then wait until Windows will find the corresponding updates and install them if available. You can also perform a system restore. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in rstrui and then select it as a command from the search results. As you can see, you have an option to choose a different restore point, so make sure to click that and then press on Next. Now you have to select the earliest point in time way before the problem appeared and then click on Next, and lastly just click on Finish to start the restoration procedure. And lastly, another great solution is to create a new user account. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon, and then on the left pane make sure to click on the Accounts section. Afterwards, on the right pane, make sure to click on Family and Other Users. In here, just click on the Add Account button next to Add Other User. Now you just have to enter the login credentials for the new Microsoft account that you want to use. And in case you want to use the computer as a standalone device, you can also create a local account. To do this, you have to click on I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then you can add a user without a Microsoft account. Now you can type a username and you can enter a password and then click on Next, and then the local account is created. And that's it. Plenty of options to consider.
As usual, for more information and details, you can check the article in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, just make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.